Do you want to build a beautiful website without hiring a developer? Looking for an all-in-one platform that's easy to use, looks professional, and works on any device? This video is perfect place to start. I will show you everything Squarespace offers and why it might be the best choice for your next website, even if you're a complete beginner. Squarespace is a powerful website builder used by millions of people all around the world, from small businesses and freelancers to bloggers and creatives. It's all in one platform, which means you don't need to buy separate hosting, install any softwares, or write any code. You simply sign up, pick a design, and start building. It's perfect for portfolios, blogs, personal websites, online stores, and many more. Whether you are building a brand or just sharing your ideas, Squarespace gives you everything in one place. Let's quickly go over some of the most useful features Squarespace includes in every site. Professional templates. You get access to dozens of modern, responsive templates that look great on computers, tablets, and phones. Drag and drop editor. No coding skill needed, just click, drag, and customize section exactly how you want. Built-in SEO tool. Squarespace helps your site get found on Google with clean URL, automatic sitemaps, and meta tools. E-commerce ready. You can sell products, services, digital downloads, or even bookings right from your site. Analytics. Track who visit your site, where they come from, and what they do. All inside Squarespace dashboard. 24/7 customer support. Squarespace live chat and email support is always available. One of the best things about Squarespace is the design flexibility. Even if you pick a template, you are not stuck with it. You can change fonts, colors, layout, images, and everything. You can also use Squarespace Blueprint, a feature that lets you build a personalized layout step by step. And if you ever want to switch things up later, you can easily rearrange pages and sections without losing content. Beyond just building a site, Squarespace gives you powerful tools to grow your online presence. Email marketing sends newsletters and announcements directly from your website. Social media integration connect Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and display feeds automatically. Logo maker create your own logo for free. Stock images use free or paid images from Unsplash and Getty. Membership pages create private or paid access content. Scheduling tools let customers book appointments directly on your website. And multilingual support build website in multiple languages using integration. This is just the beginning. In this series, I will walk you through every step from starting your free trial to customizing your design, setting up pages, adding content, and publishing your website. No tech skills required. I will make sure everything is simple and beginner friendly. So if you are ready to build your own website, hit that subscribe button and follow along with the full tutorial playlist.